It's a blessing for real. We get to do a lot, get exposed to a lot, get to work with like great preceptors like Vic, get to work with great athletes, so it's just been real fun. You get a lot of hands-on experience.
The athletic training students in our program progress through a clinical phase where they are assigned to a sport, and as they progress through that sport, their job responsibilities and their educational experiences expands.
It just like gives you that confidence, like, you know, if I could work in this setting and succeed and thrive, you know, I could go anywhere and do the same thing. All our professors and like clinical preceptors, they know a lot of people that help you get like connected, use their connections to like get you in touch with people that'll get you where you want to go.
Student athletic trainers mean so much to our program. The work that they put in every single day, our guys can count on them. It's something that allows our guys from a recovery standpoint to return quicker when they have injuries. It's something in terms of injury prevention. They do a great job working with our athletes, making sure they're prepared for competition, and I think it's such a great working relationship. So we're so fortunate to have our student athletic trainers, and it makes a huge difference in our program.
Seeing your athletes get back out on the court after they've been injured, you do a lot of like behind the scenes work, getting them ready to get back out there, and just seeing them, you know, fully confident out there and returning to their previous shape or even better. I think that's probably the most rewarding part. It's a lot of hours, but you know, it's worth it. And if it's your passion, go for it.